All right, welcome back, everyone. Today is March the 2nd. It's Tuesday, and we're doing another trade recap. And today the market was pretty slow, I felt like personally. And so we'll go dive into some of my trades and show you where I'm at on the month and everything, like usual. And I've got to say, let's look at the calendar real quick here. So yeah, today's Tuesday and I'm up 117. And in relation to how I've done in the past, that's really not much at all. And while it is green, it's a step in the right direction. It's just small amounts, and I think really it's due to I feel like just lack of opportunities right now in the market. So let's look at my trades here and show you what I traded. I had, once again, yesterday was like the lowest trades I've ever had. I had 4 trades today. I had five? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 trades, so one more. So this to me, it means a couple of things. It means I'm slowing down big time, because what my usual has been in the past is like 80 to 100 trades, sometimes way beyond that, up into 200 trades in one trading day, and today only did 5. So yeah, things have slowed down a lot, and because of it I don't see a lot of great opportunities. Therefore I feel like there's not much to a lot of great opportunities to risk anything, and therefore make it smaller amounts, but at least they're green, which is good. So I traded JCS and RKT, Rocket Mortgage. So this was kind of weird to me because we've really been in this phenomenon market. That's what I'm going to call it, in regards to these crazy like meme stocks in a way. It all started with GameStop, obviously created this craze. When we look at the yearly chart, it felt like for no reason at all, we had the whole Reddit community that was kind of pushing for it, and shorting, doing a lot of short squeezing out of squeezing some of the shorts out of their positions. And so it's been this craze, but it hasn't been, I don't know, like I've been trading for a while, and I've been doing mainly all small cap day trading momentum stocks, and you don't see a lot of the higher price stocks making these kinds of moves. And today, I feel like this was just another weird craze in a way, and so many people are hopping on to this move. Here's Rocket Mortgage, and I didn't really want to trade this today because of the fact that I don't know, like it's a big company, Rocket Mortgage, and I don't know, it just seems really weird to be day trading this kind of stuff. Now I know there's plenty of people out there that trade, they day trade all kinds of large cap stocks, Tesla, all that other kind of stuff, you name it. But for a lot of us small cap traders, like today, this felt like it was the only thing on the board on the scanner that was worthy of trading. And right now it's sitting at 71% gain. So it was the largest gainer. However, it was priced at 29 earlier in the day, and then in the middle of the day it just spiked up kind of out of nowhere. I don't really understand what the news was behind it, other than once again another like phenomenon craze of people just, I don't know, traders hopping onto a random stock and then pushing it like crazy. And I don't necessarily, I guess, like trading that, in the sense that there's so many people trading it. It creates a lot of volatility, which is what we look for. But at the same time, when stocks get super crowded, I mean, look at the volume change on here, going from, this trading all the way down from 170 K in volume in one given minute, I guess that was, and then all this other volume that just runs in here, and it just goes crazy. I mean, 2 million, like, okay, so if we look at it, it's 364 million shares that have been traded, so that's like, it's super insane. So anyways, I kind of like ignored it for quite a while. You know, I had this entire run up, and I was just waiting for maybe some other sympathy momentum on another small cap stock to pop up and run, because maybe, you know, Rocket Mortgage was up, but it really didn't. I mean, I got a trade on JCS, and it was just a small little move here, nothing big. This one was crazy pre-market. If you look at it, it had this insane spike up, and I guess it just could not hold that incredible strength, that crazy volatility going up from what, 755 to 14, you know, doubling in freaking what, 2 minutes? That's insane. And you know, it just ripped down and faded all day long and really didn't do anything else. So that was kind of off limits. You know, I did get a trade in there, but you know, it wasn't much, and not much to trade off of. So, you know, once again, I held off on Rocket Mortgage for quite a while, and I've got my first trade in, what, at 342. You know, the last freaking 15 minutes of the market. And at that point, it was a little bit of desperation, I guess. I just wanted to put something on today's chart. I didn't want to go red, so I just made tiny, quick trades on Rocket Mortgage. And what I was doing, it was just trying to wait for big dips that would happen, try to hop in on those, and then quickly sell once they pushed up just a little bit. So I did that a few times. Anyways, got up to 117 on the day. And once again, at least it's something, right? And it's not red, so that's good. But yeah, normally I just wouldn't trade, you know, anything like Rocket Mortgage typically, but it was the only thing moving. So had a few trades on it, and I guess I got in that little bit of that desperation mode just to trade something, and it was the only thing. So I don't know, you trade what you can, and that was pretty much all my trades today. So yeah, 5 trades, 1 on JCS, the rest on Rocket Mortgage, and went from 27 to 117. So tiny step in the right direction. And let's look at the calendar real quick. So this month is a really important month for me. I really have to get back on course of really building back the account, because February was a drastic, nasty loss. And I did really well. If we look at January, I did really well in January, made 11K, and completely torched that in February. And I think I just got too confident, was trading way too aggressively in February, and thinking the great trading was going to continue. I think the market kind of took a turn, and I took a huge loss. 9 red days and then 9 green days, so 50-50 on February, but the red days were super nasty, so I went negative on that month. So anyways, this is why March is really important for me. It's a bit about getting back in the right direction, building up the account. And unfortunately right now, you know, we're going through what seems to me like a bit of a slow market. So I've started off the 2 days of the month good so far, in the sense that they're green. Unfortunately, that's not much. You know, I'm up 400 on the month. And I need to make a little bit more progress in the right direction. Now, if I do, I like going back and comparing my stats. So I do remember in January, this second week here was actually really slow. And as you can see, I wasn't putting on great numbers either, but they were at least all green. So look at this, 200, 100, 150, 250, you know, 230. So they were all small days, but they all add up. So almost, you know, it's almost $1,000 that week, which is once again something. So if I can do that and stay above you know, keep treading water here and keep my head above the water here. This week will be okay if I can kind of continue that, and waiting to get into a bit better, stronger, hotter market. And we don't know how long that will take. We might have a hot market tomorrow. It might take another 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month, who knows. It's very hard to gauge. It's just that you have to take it day by day, which is tough, but it's kind of that patience. And you've got to show up every day. You know, if you're a small cap trader, momentum day trader, it's something you have to gauge on a daily basis. So as of now, it's slow, and hopefully we can have a turnaround to where I can put on some bigger green days. But that's where I'm sitting today. Hope you guys enjoyed the recap here. I want to hear from you guys. I want to find out how your Monday and Tuesday went this month. Do you feel like the market's slow? And I want to know if you were green today or red. Let me know how much. Love hearing from you guys. So that's it for now. Short review, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Wednesday and try to make this week a solid, awesome green streak. But that's all we got for you now. So we'll catch you next time.